Kamusta guys? You're watching the News Listener by Angelo and just today, meron namang pasabog ang isang colonel sa AFP. Nagwi-withdraw ng kanyang support para kay Bongbong Marcos. Okay? At mukhang hindi siya talaga nag-hold back na gawin ang post na to doon sa Facebook account niya. Okay? At ang malala, parang sinakripisyo niya yung sarili niya at ang kanyang magiging sanang pensyon. Kasi magre-retiro na siya eh. Okay? So, let's watch this video from One News. Okay? Kung anong sabi ni Major General Michael Log Gico. Okay? So, let's watch this.
Sir, where is Colonel Mongao right now?
Okay, at around 9:30 this evening, Colonel Mongao voluntarily turned himself in, and just at the right time because malapit na kasi ma-terminate yung kanya.
Okay, ito yung actual na post niya sa Facebook na daw to. Kumbaga, yung kanyang number, tsaka yung pangalan niya, and it says na is withdrawing his personal support to the President and Commander-in-Chief. Talagang hindi, walang patumpik-tumpik tong si Colonel. Para daw sa mga Pilipino at hindi niya talaga nakayanan. Okay? Later on guys, may papakita ko sa inyo mga information na nagli-link itong si Colonel sa mga grupo na gustong pabagsakin ang gobyerno. So, continue natin.
Ang break, kanyang New Year's break. So he voluntarily surrendered himself, turned himself in, and we had a lot to talk about.
Oh, yan. Okay.
This evening, and he is fully cooperating with us.
What sanction?
Okay, ito yung some information. Okay.
Will he have to suffer for what he did?
That is something that will be determined after we have completed the investigation. So there are a lot of things that we wanted to determine. What we saw was the post that, what he posted on social media last night. And syempre we want to know the predicators of why he posted that. So, and try to see what are the other factors that led him to do what he did. So this will just come out later on during the investigation. Right now, we've talked to him, and we advise him to get some rest. According sa kanya, wala siyang tulog for the past 3 days. So we'll give him his mandatory medical check-up, and after that we will tomorrow morning we will continue with the investigation.
But General, he admits that he did indeed make that post.
Yes, and that this is serious. Make no mistake, this is a serious departure from military discipline, and this is as bad as you can think about it. Pero the mitigating thing here is that he voluntarily submitted himself back to military control, and he is fully cooperating with all of us. So yun ang importante. But make no mistake, we will continue with the investigation as impartial as we can take it, and we intend to get to the bottom of this on why he did what he did.
Okay, so guys, so ang sabi ni Major General noong umaga, nag-post siya, which is he admittedly na siya yung nag-post. Pagkatapos, tinawagan daw siya ni Major General Logico na na kausapin, tawagan siya para ano talaga yung dahilan niya para mag-withdraw ng support. At okay, at 9:30 daw no, itong gabi na to, nung gabi ng January 9, sumuko siya, voluntary, which is good. Para siguro malaman nila para maimbestigahan nila mas mabuti yung ano kaya dahilan ni Colonel Mangao na mag-withdraw ng support. Okay? Well, in his statement or sa post niya, yun yung pag-withdraw niya ng support kay Bongbong Marcos kasi daw sa mga nangyayaring korupsyon sa ating bansa. Okay? Now, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys isang information na this is very interesting. Kasi nung sumabog itong gusto niyang gawin na mag-withdraw ng support, okay? Ito ay nangyari, itong ginawa niya, may nangyari before, which is yung kay former General Pokis. Diba? Kung natatandaan nyo, inaresto siya doon sa airport sa kasong inciting to sedition. Kasi nananawagan siya para babagsakin yung gobyerno natin. Diba? Which entirely sinabi niya talaga sa mga rallies na ginawa nila kasama yung kanyang grupo. Okay? Now ito, papakita ko sa inyo another tab tayo. And okay. So na-relieve siya no on January 9, 2026. Okay? Tapos, yun, withdrawal of support. Na-relieve siya agad. At okay, si Major General Michael Lohico nag-iimbestiga na. At merong potential na violations of Articles of War, which is Article 96, on conduct on becoming an officer and gentleman. Now, here's one of the interesting things na ang ginawa ko is tinanong ko sa AI, does he have any connections with the Duterte administration? So, sabi dito, while walang direktang confirmation na meron direct political connection sa mga Duterte, okay, but there are several details from recent 2026 event linked to Colonel Odi Mangao to circles associated with the former president. So that means, nung ginawa ni Colonel Mangao itong kanyang pag-withdraw kay Bongbong Marcos, ang daming mga Duterte alipores na nagsusuporta sa kanyang ginawa. Okay? So sabi dito, public support from Duterte allies following his relief. Mangao has received vocal public support from prominent figures in social media pages associated with the Duterte family, such as si Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Kung natatandaan nyo, siya yung executive secretary ni Bongbong Marcos na ilang buwan lang tinanggal siya at ngayon kalaban niya na si Bongbong Marcos. Tapos sabi dito, support from PDP laban. Unverified social media reports indicate that PDP, yung ni Digong, yung party niya, nag-issue sila ng statement supporting Mangao after the viral withdrawal of support. Association with critics, Mangao alleged withdrawal statement was shared and amplified by retired Air Force General Romeo Pokis. So, si Pokis, siya yung former general, retired rather, na naging kritiko ni Bongbong Marcos, which is connected sa mga Duterte. At gusto nila ipalit si Sara Duterte na maging presidente kung matanggal nila si Bongbong Marcos, na ngayon ay merong kasong inciting to sedition. Okay? At ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga post ng mga dito sa, yan, si Jay Sonsa. So, wait muna, click natin yung Facebook. Papakita ko sa inyo para at least alam nyo na may mga Duterte loyalists na ina-amplify itong message ni Monggao. Ito si Jason Sana, fake news peddler ng mga Duterte. Yan. Okay. Diba? O, sino pa? Ito. Balik tayo. Kita nyo itong dalawa? Ito ang kay Vic. Okay. Ito yung kay Vic Rodriguez. Nakalagay dito, saludo at respeto, I stand. Tapos si Boss Mill, I stand with Colonel Odi. Pero yung message pretty much, they're actually the same. So that means na si Colonel ay mukhang parang pinakawalan ng kung sino mang malapit sa mga Duterte. Kasi last time, si retired general ay inaresto. At actually, ang ginawa ko, guys, sinerge ko yung account ni Colonel Monggao. Okay? At mukhang meron siyang mga post dito na post, ito. Pakita ko muna sa inyo. Para at least klaro tayo. At ito. Ito yung account niya. Ayan, yun yung kanyang Ito yung kanyang profile. Okay? Meron siyang, siya yan So, 2,000 followers, 1K following. Yung kanyang post, okay, para, klaro. Okay, baba tayo muna. Okay, medyo loading Pero meron akong nakita dito na shinare niya. Ayan, yung sa Venezuela. Okay. Meron pang Bruce Lee. Para at least makita nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Okay, hindi yan. Okay. Okay, baba muna tayo. Okay. So, klarong-klaro ito yung account. Pero wala dito yung message. Yan, nag-post siya. Shinare yung nangyari kay General Romeo Pocis. Okay. Yan, pati yan. Ito. Ito, ano pa to si Gringo Onasan. Remember, tuta rin to ni Duterte. Okay? So, that means na meron siyang, although it's not, pero parang really connected at lahat ng mga DDS supporters at mga loyalista ng mga Duterte. Nung nag-withdraw ito si Monggao, ay parang pinagpiestahan yung kanyang ginawa. Binigyan siya ng hero's welcome. Tapos, yung kanyang message ay kumbaga, in-amplify ng mga DDS supporters para mamungkahi ng iba pang mga sundalo at kung mangyari man na ito'y pag-isipan ng mga ibang sundalo, gagawa ito ng kaguluhan sa gobyerno. I hope hindi po mas matalino po yung mga ibang AFP na sundalo na hindi po sana matulad sa tao na ito. Kasi, yan si Malu. Kumbaga, na hero nila. Ginawan nilang hero itong si Manggao. Okay ba? Kumbaga, talaga yung mga mouthpieces ng mga Duterte, talagang ginagamit nila itong issue para mapababa talaga si Bongbong Marcos. Well, sana ang layunin ng ibang grupo ay pagpatuloy niya, definitely yung pagiging presidente niya, yung tao ay yung maghuhusga. Pero kung may mga sundalo na connected sa mga Duterte, yung kanilang goal is palitan si Marcos para hindi makasuhan ng yung mga kaalyado, especially si Sara Duterte kasi malapit na siyang kasuhan ng sa ombudsman. Okay? At ano ba? So far, yun. When it comes to information na sana wag matulad yung ibang sundalo sa kanya kasi pag ginawa nyo to, makukulong pa kayo at yung mga benefits na sana yung makukuha nyo pag nag-retire kayo ay mawawala siya ng para lang bula. Okay guys, kung meron po kayong comment suggestion sa ating video, paki-comment po sa ating comment section at if you like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. Salamat po and I'll see you sa susunod na video.